Hi guys, it's Dan here, NAMM 2016 with Pro Tools Expert, here with Michael at the Tegeler Audio Manufaktur stand. Michael, we've got two products here we want to have a quick chat about.
Yeah.
One that I'm already aware of, which is the Kompressor at the top. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, it's called a Schwerkraftmaschine. That means literal heavy force machine, or the meaning is gravity machine.
Yeah.
It's a very Micheal compressor with a fully analog signal path with tubes and transformers. And the special thing is it has a DSP for the control circuit.
Yeah.
So it can emulate the behavior of any existing compressor.
Nice.
For
so it's many compressors in one.
Yeah. It also can emulate, or it can simulate behaviors that are not possible in an analog world.
Cool.
So we have some modes. This one is opto, for example. It can sound like compress like an opto compressor, or like an VCA compressor.
Yeah.
And we have some modes that are unique, that are not existing in an analog or in any other compressor.
Nice.
Then another thing is it is fully controllable by a plug-in.
So this is the party piece. This is the bit I like the most about it, is that you actually have the choice to kind of save your settings in the digital domain, but have still the analog feel and tactile feel that we all know and love.
You change something on a plug-in, and
it moves up there.
Yeah,
that's
the
excellent.
knob will follow. And the other way around, you change it here, the plug-in will follow.
Excellent.
So you can change your settings in your song, and you also can automate your settings. So if you want to have a faster attack in the chorus, or have slower compression in the chorus than in the verse, you can just drag it, draw it in your DAW, and the compressor will follow.
Excellent. So the other product I wanted to have a little chat to you about is, I think it's very clever. It's in the bottom of the rack there. Mike, tell us a little bit more about that.
This one is an analog mastering matrix.
Yeah.
You can connect 8 of your stereo mastering gear, and you will have a plug-in here. And you can change, you can drag your existing analog devices into the mastering path. And you can also solo or bypass something. So it's very easy to...
so again, this is like inserting plugins, really, isn't it, on a master fader?
Like a patch bay.
That's it,
but faster. You can save your settings. You can say, okay, I want to compare different settings of my mastering chain. You just save it as a preset and load it in seconds, or you can change the direction or insert something. If you want to insert something, just drag it between the devices and it will adapt itself. And that's not all. You have 2 analog plugins, an LR to MS matrix and an MS to LR matrix. You can place these analog plugins on any place you like. Let's place it on the first point and maybe the last. So now everything between these plugins work for MS mastering.
Excellent. So, Mike, just to round it up really quickly then, when do we expect to see the compressor, and at what sort of price?
The compressor is around 3,500 euro.
That's a very good price.
Yeah,
it's
a stereo device, and the connector is 2,500 euros.
Incredible. Excellent.
Yes.
Well, Michael, thank you so much, and
we'll
speak to you again soon. Cheers.
Thank you.